Let's see how we can use the scan and reduce functions in Google Sheets. We have the scan and reduce function Google Sheet open and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have values from 1 to 10, using the sequence function with rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we want the cumulative values of the values in column A. In column C, we want the cumulative values of the values in column A, using some other method. In column D, we want to check if the cumulative values we got in column B and column C are the same. In column F we will have the n+1 value which can be any number between 2 and 11, including 2 and 11. In column G, we will get the nth cumulative value. To get the cumulative value in column B we will use the scan function, which scans an array and produces intermediate values. It takes initial value, array or range, and lambda as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write, equal to scan, initial value will be 0, comma array or range will be, A22, A11, comma. Lambda optional name argument will be total value, comma, current value and the formula expression will be total value plus current value. So in lambda we have total value and current value as the name arguments, and the formula expression is total value plus current value. We see that we get the cumulative of the values in column A, in column B. Another method of getting the cumulative of the values in column A will be shown in column C. In cell C2 we will write equal to A2. Oops, it became equal to A2 plus B2, let's change it to equal to A2. In cell C3 we will write equal to C2 plus A3. Let's drag the formula to the required range. Now, we will check if the cumulative values in column B and column C are equal. In cell D2, we will write equal to B2, equal to C2. If the two values are same, it will return true. If the two values are not equal, it will give false. Let's drag the formula to the required range. We see that we get all true, so the cumulative of values in column A, as calculated in column B and C are equal. Next, suppose we write n+1 as 2 in cell F2. In cell G2 we want the nth cumulative value. For this we will use the reduce function, which reduces an array to an accumulated result. It takes initial value, array or range, and lambda as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write equal to reduce, initial value will be 0, array or range will be A22, A11, lambda will be the same as we wrote in column B. that is lambda, total value, comma current value, comma total value plus current value. Array or range we will not directly write as A22, A11. We want this number to change according to the value in cell F2. For this, we will use the indirect function, which gives a cell reference. The argument passed to the indirect function will be a concatenation of the string in quotes, A22, A, and the value in cell F2. We see that for n plus 1 equal to 2, or n equal to 1, the nth cumulative value is 1, same as in column B and C. If we change 2 to 3 in F2 we will get 3 in G2. If we change 3 to 4 in F2 we will get 6 in G2. If we change 4 to 5 in F2 we will get 10 in G2. If we change 5 to 6 in F2 we will get 15 in G2. If we change 6 to 7 in F2 we will get 21 in G2. If we change 7 to 8 in F2 we will get 28 in G2. If we change 8 to 9 in F2 we will get 36 in G2. If we change 9 to 10 in F2 we will get 45 in G2. If we change 10 to 11 in F2 we will get 55 in G2. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the scan and the reduce functions in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.